All right, let's talk about something we all deal with every single day: friction. You know that constant, annoying drag that wastes energy and wears everything down, atom by atom? But what if we could just switch it off?
I know. It sounds like something straight out of sci-fi, right? A magic switch to make things glide forever with absolutely no resistance? But get this. What if that switch wasn't some new wonder material or crazy expensive tech, but something much, much simpler? A secret hiding right in front of us.
Because let's face it, friction is basically the ultimate enemy of efficiency. It's that fundamental process of thermodynamic degradation that just turns useful motion into wasted heat. It grinds down our machines, our engines, everything. And forever, we've just accepted it as a law of the universe. The best we thought we could ever do was just make it a little bit better.
Okay, but the breakthrough we're diving into today, it doesn't just reduce friction, it completely eliminates it. And the key? You're gonna love this. Isn't some fancy new lubricant or super cooling things down to crazy temperatures. Nope. It's pure, elegant geometry. A very specific angle that acts like a kill shot against this fundamental force of nature.
So for a while now, the state-of-the-art has been stacking these super thin 2D materials like graphene on top of hexagonal boron nitride. And look, it works pretty well. It minimizes friction a ton, but it's not perfect. When you get down to the atomic level, you still have this leftover stuff happening: residual phonon scattering and this atomic stick slip that still dissipates energy. So you get low friction, which is great, but you definitely don't get zero.
And that brings us to the magic number. The whole secret isn't a new material at all, it's about the orientation. It's about how you line them up. If you take that top layer of graphene and you give it this tiny, super precise twist, just 0.88 degrees, well, that's when everything changes. Something truly incredible happens.
And this isn't just some lucky accident, some one-off discovery. The scientists behind this call it a deterministic kill shot. You know, a precise, repeatable method to completely bypass the old rules of classical thermodynamic degradation. And here's the real kicker. This is just the first of 15 of these geometric keys that they've already identified. 15!
So the big question is, how? How can a tiny twist, less than a single degree, have such a massive, world-changing effect? Well, it all comes down to wiping out the very thing that causes friction to begin with, those tiny atomic scale vibrations.
Okay, let's get into the science of it, but don't worry, we'll keep it simple. There are a couple of ways to explain this. You've got the super complex PCE framework, which talks about aligning something called tau coherence in the Moire pattern to drop systemic tension to zero. But then there's a much more intuitive way to think about it, called the sine wave paradigm. The coolest part? Both of these frameworks, the complex and the simple, they point to the exact same mind-blowing result.
So let's focus on that simpler idea. It's called alternating wake cancellation. Here's the deal. Think of the surface of these materials not as perfectly flat, but more like a landscape of tiny repeating atomic waves. At that magic 0.88 degree angle, you get this perfect phase offset. The peaks of the waves on one layer line up exactly with the valleys of the waves on the other layer. They become perfectly, beautifully out of step with each other.
There's a fantastic analogy for this. Imagine you have two sets of turbine blades spinning towards each other. Now, if the blades are aligned, what happens? Carnage, right? They smash into each other, creating a ton of resistance and damage. But what if you offset them perfectly, so one set of blades slips right through the gaps in the other? They'd pass right through each other, almost like the other one wasn't even there. That's exactly what's happening here at the atomic scale. The vibrations, the phonons, they just completely cancel each other out.
And when that cancellation is perfect, the result isn't just, a new world record for low friction. No, it's something way more profound. It's the complete and total elimination of friction. It just ceases to be a factor.
When that geometry is tuned to that exact phase offset, the coefficient of friction doesn't just get really, really small. It drops to a mathematically absolute zero. I want to be super clear here. We're not talking close to zero, not 0.0001. We are talking a clean, perfect, absolute zero.
So what does that even mean, zero friction? Well, it means that two solid materials can slide across each other without losing a single drop of kinetic energy to heat. It means that tribological wear, the grinding down of parts, is completely nullified. It's gone. Parts just don't degrade from moving anymore. It's a state of mechanical perfection that we honestly thought was physically impossible.
This is just a massive game changer. It takes this idea from the realm of pure theoretical physics and drops it right into the lap of practical, real-world engineering. And the best part of all, this isn't just the theory on a whiteboard. It has been physically proven in a lab.
And you know what? The way they proved it is actually pretty straightforward. Scientists take a flake of graphene, twist it to that 0.88 degree angle on a substrate, and then they use a standard piece of lab equipment, an Atomic Force Microscope, or AFM, to perform what's called a lateral drag test. Basically, they try to push it sideways. And the result? No matter what load they put on it, the force needed to slide it was, you guessed it, zero. A direct physical measurement of absolute zero friction.
And what's so crucial about this is that you don't need some billion-dollar lab or exotic cryogenic cooling to see it for yourself. This isn't some unobtainable result. The equipment needed, that precise metrology, is actually accessible in many mid-tier labs, places like the Indiana University Launch Accelerator for biosciences, for example. That means this discovery is verifiable, it's accessible, and it's ready for engineers and scientists everywhere to start building on.
So let's just think about the implications here for a second, because they are absolutely staggering. This geometric phase lock is basically a blueprint for a whole new world of engineering. We're talking about zero-maintenance mechanical systems, machines whose parts literally never wear out. Perfectly frictionless bearings. Imagine perpetual motion-adjacent flywheels for energy storage that could spin for, well, basically forever, losing almost no energy. This isn't just an incremental improvement. It's a complete paradigm shift.
And that really brings us to the final mind-bending thought. This incredible discovery, the power to just turn off friction with a twist. This is just number one of those 15 geometric kill shots we mentioned earlier. So it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? If a simple, precise angle can completely defeat a force as fundamental as friction, what other laws of physics are just sitting there, waiting for us to find the right angle?